For the first time in my life, I actually enjoy exercising. And I never thought I'd get to that point. I thought exercise was always something I needed to do. And I thought it was something that I couldn't stop doing, but I thought it was going to always be a chore because it was just something that I had to get done. And, you have to do it to be healthy and if you want to lose weight. But like, I've reached a point in my life where I look forward to my workouts, or even on a tough day, I don't dread them. Like, I'm not like dragging my feet and I have to hype myself up and motivate myself. And it's just so freeing because for so long I had this negative, toxic relationship with exercise where it was either something I had to do, which made it a chore, and I hated every second of it, or it was a punishment for the way that I acted. I ate too much, I skipped a workout, and now I'm working extra hard in the gym. And now it's just, no, it's a privilege to be able to move today. Like, some people don't have arms, some people don't have legs, some people are bedridden this morning. It's like, geez, some people didn't wake up. And it's like, I was given this body, and this body is my only home and the only vehicle that I will drive from now until for the rest of my life. And I get to treat it right. I get to give my vehicle maintenance and I get to invest in my vehicle, and it just feels so good. And I think one of the biggest switches for me and why I was able to get to this point was because I just started to be grateful that I could move. I've had my fair share of injuries. I've sprained my ankle a ton. I've broken bones in my foot, my feet. I've pulled and torn my hamstring, and I've done all this stuff to where I couldn't walk for a while. And in those moments, it makes you really appreciate and realize how you take it for granted. Just being able to walk into the kitchen to grab a snack, just being able to walk down the stairs to the bathroom. And by just being more grateful, like, I'm glad I'm going to the gym. I'm glad that I have this body. I'm grateful and I want to treat it right. And I want to set a good example for my family. And I want I don't want to just live long. I want to live well. It's not just about quantity, but it's about quality of life. And I don't know. I just thought I would share how exciting it is to actually really enjoy exercise on a deeper level and realize all of the benefits that it gives me other than just helping me lose weight. I've lost over 80 pounds, but I've gained so much more by losing that weight. I've gained so much confidence in myself. I walk through life completely different. It's like I am the main character in my own movie now, instead of just a side character, where I was like floating in the background, not really present, always overthinking in my mind, feeling uncomfortable, pulling at my clothes, avoiding pictures, flinching when my husband went to touch my stomach, wearing t-shirts on the beach, like really just living in the background. And now I get to live like main character energy. And every day, like, I walk down the street like I'm in a movie, like I'm the main character in a movie being filmed. Everybody's watching. I've got so much. I just feel so vibrant, so much electricity in me now, running through me, pushing me, motivating me to get out of bed. When I was overweight, I hit the snooze button when my alarm went off like 3 times because I didn't know what I was doing it for. I didn't know how exciting and amazing and freeing life could be. And, I want somebody listening, you can do it. And I thought it was impossible. I thought being healthy was just always going to have to be a chore. And it was just going to be something I had to make myself do. And because I had to make myself do it, honestly, I never did it. Because who can be that motivated all the time and fight that battle all the time when you're tired at the end of the day, when you have a family to take care of, when you have a bad, rough, emotional day? Like, it just was not happening. And I did little things over time. I took the pressure off of myself to be perfect. And these little things became my new bare minimums. And before I knew it, I'm this new person and I've reached my goal. And it really does happen overnight. It doesn't feel like it while you're doing it. But like, if you're 1% better every day, then oh my goodness, in a year, that's 365% better, instead of trying to be 100% better this week. And it's just, I don't know. I feel really good and I want other people to feel this good. And I want you to know that it's possible. If it sounds crazy or you wish that you could feel the way that I'm explaining right now, the first step is just believing that it's possible instead of always thinking that that's just not for you. Or I wish that would be nice for me, but probably not, you know? Like, it is possible. I swear to you, I have tried every diet under the sun. I failed. Like, every diet out there. I've gained and lost over 300 pounds in my lifetime. I did the math, and that totaled over like 300 pounds I've lost. And it's just crazy. I never thought I would be this person and live this life like I'm the main character of a rom-com, I swear. But it's amazing, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, I swear. Everything was working against me. And I didn't have the answer, I didn't have any guidance. And I felt defeated and discouraged because no one seems to want to help you without you pulling out your credit card, you know? And so, yeah, that's just me. I'm driving to the gym right now. I'm excited for a workout. I'm excited for how I'm going to feel after I work out because I know that it's going to be a kick-ass workout and I'm going to be energized and I'm going to be sweaty and I'm going to be so proud of myself and my endorphins will be rushing through me and it's just going to make my day so much better. And yeah, maybe I'm ranting or maybe I'm talking to myself, but it's really freeing to not have to work yourself up to make the healthy choices, you know? It's really freeing when you actually want and crave fruit instead of chocolate. When you say no to the side of fries because you really don't want it because it's going to make you feel gross. It's possible. And the first step to achieving it, if that's what you're looking for, is to believe that it's possible and realize that it won't feel like it happens overnight, but I promise if you start today, when you get there, it will feel like it happened overnight. Kind of like raising kids. You know, like, gosh, it's really hard in the moment, but boy, does it go by fast. And so can your journey. So that's my little rant on the way to the gym. I hope it was inspiring for you guys, and I hope you take it serious and are grateful for what your body can do today and move it. That's your way of saying thank you for taking me this far in life and never giving up on me, body. Thank you. So get to moving today.